Yes. So see, dear children, again I am repeating. Write down the definition of impact parameter. Write down. Here I am telling the impact parameter. Impact parameter. It defined as the perpendicular distance. Is defined as the perpendicular distance of the initial velocity vector. Perpendicular distance of the initial velocity vector. Of the initial velocity vector of the alpha particle from the central line of the nucleus. When the particle is far away, when the particle is far away from the nucleus of an atom. And the definition of distance of closest approach is, again I am repeating, when the alpha particle, suppose this is the alpha particle going, this is nucleus, suppose the alpha particle is moving in this manner, then what happened here? अल्फा पार्टिकल जब इधर जाएगा तो इसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी डिक्रीज होगी ड्यू टू द कूलम्बियन रिपल्सिव फोर्स, एंड एट अ पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस काइनेटिक एनर्जी बिकम्स जीरो, कन्वर्टेड इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. और एक पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस जो है इससे आगे अल्फा पार्टिकल नहीं जा रहा है, तो वी कैन से द डिस्टेंस अप टू विच अल्फा पार्टिकल रीचेस इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच. And that formula we had, हमने अभी निकाला है. That formula again I am saying that is R naught is equal to, लिख लीजिए फॉर्मूला जो मैंने डिराइव किया अभी, ZE into 2E divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by 2 mv square. Here. Okay. Now. अब हम देखते हैं रदरफोर्ड एटम मॉडल. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी रदरफोर्ड एटम मॉडल. व्हाट इज दैट? रदरफोर्ड एटम मॉडल, फॉर विच रदरफोर्ड गिव्स अस सम assumption. The essential features of Rutherford atomic model. First one is, write down every atom consists of tiny central core, consists of a tiny मतलब small central core called the atomic nucleus, in which the entire positive charge, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर क्या होता है? In which the entire positive charge and negative charge, in which almost entire mass of the atoms are concentrated. Entire positive charge and entire mass of the atom are concentrated. Second one is the size of the nucleus. It is of the order of 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter. This is the size of the nucleus, which is very small compared to the size of the atom, and size of the atom is 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. ये एटम की साइज है, लेकिन न्यूक्लियस की साइज इससे काफी कम है. You can compare it. Size of the nucleus is 10 raised to the power minus 15 meter. It is very small compared to the size of the atom. Then the atomic nucleus is surrounded by certain number of electrons. Third assumption is atomic nucleus is surrounded by certain number of electrons. Suppose this is the nucleus, so here we can say the electrons are there. An atom on the whole is electrically neutral. Atom on the whole is electrically neutral. The total negative charge of the electron surrounding the nucleus is equal to the total positive charge of an electron. Atom is neutral. These three assumptions are there made by Rutherford, for which we can calculate here electric orbits, electron orbits, electron orbit. Here I can say the electron orbit yes, electron orbit. Suppose here is our nucleus and electron is revolving around the nucleus. Fc is the centripetal force. Fc is the centripetal force required to keep a revolving electron in the orbit. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो चारों तरफ घूम रहा है न्यूक्लियस के, हम यहाँ ये मान रहे हैं सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स ये है. एंड Fe is the electrostatic force of attraction. Fe is the electrostatic force of attraction between the revolving electron and the nucleus. Fc is the centripetal force. Fe is the electrostatic force. So, for a stable orbit in hydrogen atom, these two forces Fc must be equal to Fe. Now, what is the value of centripetal force? mv square by r. This is mv square by r. Electrostatic force of attraction क्या होता है, हम पढ़ चुके कूलम्ब्स लॉ में, K Q1 Q2 by R square. क्या होता है बच्चों, बोलो. कौन बोलेगा? मिहिर वर्मा. मिहिर वर्मा. What is Coulomb's law? Mihiir Verma, can you listen me? That is wrong. Ishita Jain. Ishita Jain. You don't want
Yes,
to reply?
sir.
Yes. हाँ इशिता बोलो. इशिता बोलिए. What is Coulomb's law? हर्षित सेनगर. हर्षित सेनगर. You are listening me, Akanksha? Voice आ रही मेरी?
Yes, sir.
What is Coulomb's law?
Coulomb's law means that the force between two electrical charges is directly proportional to the product
right.
of
Formula
charges and
बोलिए.
inversely.
Q1 by R square. Okay. So write down.
Yes, sir.
Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. This is the here Q1 Q2 K by R square. R बराबर आ गया बच्चों यहाँ पर. Write down here. R is equal to E square divided by 4 pi epsilon naught mv square. This is R. And kinetic energy in the orbit, I can say the kinetic energy that is 1 by 2 mv square. The kinetic energy that is 1 by 2 mv square here. So using this equation mv square बराबर R, I can write the kinetic energy would be, इसका उपयोग करिए, 2 से इधर डिवाइड करिए, 2 से इधर डिवाइड करिए. With the help of this equation, R से R कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 1 by 2 mv square, I can say 2 से इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 से इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा बच्चों E square divided by 8 by epsilon naught R. With the help of this equation number 1, you can find out the value of kinetic energy. And the potential energy of the electron that we know, जो हमने पहले इक्वेशन निकाली है, ई चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन माइनस ई डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर। अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले बताया था इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, दैट फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू यूज हियर। दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस ई स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट आर। काइनेटिक एनर्जी आ गई, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी आ गई। यहाँ जो नेगेटिव साइन आ रहा है बच्चों, दिस नेगेटिव साइन इंडिकेट्स that the revolving electron is bound to the positive nucleus. Negative electron जो है nucleus से बंधा हुआ है। So I can say here, this is the kinetic energy and potential energy. The total energy of the system is K plus U. That is equal to E square divided by 8 pi epsilon naught R. This is the kinetic energy, and the potential energy E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. So you can take here minus E square divided by 8 pi epsilon naught R. This is the value of R. Total energy, sorry. The total energy of the electron in the orbit of hydrogen atom is negative. See this. The total energy here we are getting is negative. So my dear children, electron is bound to the nucleus. Electron is bound to the nucleus. लिख लीजिए सब। तो टुडे जो बच्चों आज हमने पढ़ा है, आकांक्षा अटेंडेंस भेजिएगा मेरे को।
Yes, sir.
So today what we saw, again we are going to rememorize distance of closest approach up to which alpha particle reaches against the Coulomb repulsive force that we have seen. Then the second one is impact parameter. Yes, little bit of error. Yes, my dear children, तो हमने जो जो पढ़ा उसको रिमेमोराइज करिए। इम्पैक्ट पैरामीटर, then last one we have seen here the total energy which is negative. So this is all about today's module. हम कल बच्चों पढ़ेंगे, that is the atomic spectra, spectral series, all the series we will take tomorrow. Okay, bye.